Adverbs of manner. Quickly. She quickly ran to catch the bus. She quickly ran to catch the bus. Slowly. He walked slowly across the street. He walked slowly across the street. Carefully. Please drive carefully in the rain. Please drive carefully in the rain. Quietly. The baby was sleeping, so they spoke quietly. The baby was sleeping, so they spoke quietly. Loudly. He laughed loudly at the joke. He laughed loudly at the joke. Easily. I can fix this easily. I can fix this easily. Clearly. She explained the rules clearly. She explained the rules clearly. Well. He plays football really well. He plays football really well. Hard. She works hard every day. She works hard every day. Properly. Please wash your hands properly. Please wash your hands properly. Perfectly. The machine worked perfectly. The machine worked perfectly. Naturally. She sings naturally, without training. She sings naturally, without training. Adverbs of frequency. Always. She always wakes up early. She always wakes up early. Usually. I usually take the train. I usually take the train. Often. He often visits his grandparents. He often visits his grandparents. Sometimes. I sometimes forget my keys. I sometimes forget my keys. Occasionally. We occasionally eat out. We occasionally eat out. Rarely. He rarely eats meat. He rarely eats meat. Ever. Have you ever been to Paris? Have you ever been to Paris? Never. I never drink coffee at night. I never drink coffee at night. Regularly. She exercises regularly. She exercises regularly. Now. Let's go now. Let's go now. Then. We'll talk then. We'll talk then. Later. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Soon. Dinner will be ready soon. Dinner will be ready soon. Yesterday. I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. Today. I feel much better today. I feel much better today. Tomorrow. We'll leave tomorrow. We'll leave tomorrow. Already. She has already finished. She has already finished. Recently. I recently moved house. I recently moved house. Still. Are you still working? Are you still working? Yet. Have they arrived yet? Have they arrived yet? Finally. We finally reached the top. We finally reached the top. Suddenly. Suddenly, it started to rain. Suddenly, it started to rain. Here. Come here. Come here. There. She lives over there. She lives over there. Everywhere. We looked everywhere. We looked everywhere. Abroad. They want to study abroad. They want to study abroad. Outside. Let's wait outside. Let's wait outside. Inside. The cat is inside. The cat is inside. Around. He looked around the room. He looked around the room. Very. The food is very good. The food is very good. Actually. Actually, I don't like coffee. Actually, I don't like coffee. Seriously. Do you seriously believe that? Do you seriously believe that?